Hello and welcome to Piping Analysis. In this video, we will learn about different types of gasket using in piping industries. So let's start. Gaskets are used to create a tight seal between the two flanges with various operating conditions, pressure, temperature, etc. The primary purpose of any flange assembly is to connect piping system in such a manner as to produce a leak-free environment. Hazardous and combustible material and extreme pressure and temperature require the utmost in safety precaution. Creating a leak-proof seal between two connecting metal surfaces in an industrial setting is almost impossible. Therefore, gaskets perform a vital function in plant safety. According to the structure and material characteristic, gaskets are divided into three main categories: non-metallic, metallic and composite. Non-metallic gasket. It is the most common gasket using in piping industries. Non-metallic gaskets are made from CNAF, which is compressed non-asbestos fiber, PTFE, rubber, Teflon or graphite used with flat face and raised face flange in low pressure like 150 and 300 class. Non-metallic gasket can be full face or inside bolt circle. These gaskets are cheap and easily available in market. Non-metallic gaskets are CNAF, PTFE and rubber gasket. Metallic gasket. Metallic gaskets are made from stainless steel, low carbon steel, soft iron, etc. It is used in high pressure class flange like class above 900. Because of that, it required high tension bolting. It is also known as ring type joint, which is RTJ. These gaskets are expensive as compared to other gasket type. The most common metallic gaskets are oval and octagonal. Some other metallic gasket types you can see on your screen. Composite gaskets. Composite gaskets are also known as semi-metallic gasket. It is a combined material of metal and non-metal material. It is used in wide range of pressure and temperature. Composite gaskets are spiral wound, metal jacketed, cam profile gasket and envelope gaskets. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.